God message today. This is very important message for you. Please don't skip in between. Watch till the end. Depression. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. When you are dealing with depression, it can sometimes be overwhelming or intimidating to seek help. Whether you are experiencing sadness, a loss of interest in life, or noticing changes in your sleep, appetite, or energy levels, being honest and open about your mental health is often the first step to finding relief. It's important to know you are not alone and that there are valuable, effective resources out there that can help treat depression from therapy to medication. Here are 7 Bible verses for depression that will help you through your darkest hours. The Lord Himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. While depression can make you feel lonely, God is still there with you and He is not going anywhere. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Although there may be difficult or dark times, taking time to be grateful and reflect on things that are good can lift your spirits. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Depression can zap your energy and make it feel almost impossible to accomplish even simple tasks. But this verse reminds you that Christ is always there for you. Through Him, you can find the will to get through even the darkest times. I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. Jesus knows that you will experience difficult times. These comforting words can be a source of strength as you reflect on His love for all of us. Through faith, you can overcome the obstacles in your life. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plan for peace and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. There are better times ahead. God has a plan for you, even if your current circumstances are proving difficult. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Feelings of depression can be a heavy burden, and many people make a mistake of thinking it's a burden they must carry alone. These words serve as a reminder that Jesus is there to lift your burdens and provide relief. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make straight your path. If you believe, then type Amen. If you think this message is valuable, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. God bless you.